Okay, we open the
Recording in progress.
Hi everyone. Good evening. Okay, we open this early so that we can do the live early. For those people that are in the Facebook, you can please like and share the post. For those people in the graduates group, are you in already? If you're in, we are early. We are like 2 minutes early. Okay, so if you're early, also good to see you in this room. Okay, anyway, we wait for the Facebook group people to be in. Okay, hi Damien, how are you? Denise, how are you? We hold so much stuff. Okay, let's start. Okay, we do a bit different today. Okay, since it's open to public, we do a bit different. I still want to do the S&P 500 first. Then later, maybe for the public, we also do some stocks. Okay, do some stocks analysis for the public also. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Same thing. What we're going to do is we're going to do the index first and finish all the index. And then after that, we will go to the stocks, individual stocks. Okay, public, we got 27 of you here. Hope later you got more people in the Facebook group or the Facebook page. Please like and share the post or comment in the Facebook post also. Okay, so first thing first, S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 weekly chart. Let's go weekly chart first, long term. Okay, first thing first, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. That yes, if you understand. Okay, so S&P 500 long-term chart. This is long-term S&P 500 chart. We can see that previously was red to blue buy signal, and then now still buy signal. However, this week the price. Oh, sorry, last week the price has broke below the dotted red line. Yes or no? Like yes, if you can see that, and how many saw the red candle on the position daily? Type me if you saw that and exited. Type me if you saw that exited. I also did a video on Monday. Yes or no? Monday early in the morning. I did a video on the Facebook group, and I asked you all to exit if you are putting position daily also. How many saw this video? I also tagged everybody lah, but not maybe everybody. Type me if you have saw this video. Okay, so hopefully you're exited. For at least for position daily, you have exited at least. Is good. Okay, so for the public, okay, for the public, just to share with you, we have a public group like this. Okay, something like this, where when there's update, let's say when there's update, then sometimes like example important update, then I may just post in the group this one right now, 15th of April. Yes or no? When the first red candle came out, I posted to ask your exit at least for position daily. That was like 7 days ago. Okay, so 1 week ago lah. Okay, 1 week ago. Hopefully you exited. Last week did we have weekly webinar? Yes, right? Last week, 15 April, we have weekly webinar, right? So did 15 April, did we have the exit ready? Last week, not yet. Not yet, Not yet. 15 of. I think we had already. Last week, when the sell signal came out, did we notify you already? Yes, because 12 was on Friday, Friday. So last Monday, besides the Facebook post in the morning, in the evening last week, 8 p.m., I also mentioned this. Yes or no? I also mentioned this. Mark the low to exit, at least for position daily. For position weekly, no signal to sell yet. If you are looking at the candlestick turn rate, no signal to sell yet. Type yes if you understand. Some people will be confused, especially during this part. It's like, Collin, why is it that position daily sell signal, but position weekly don't sell? Who can understand this? Why position daily sell and position weekly don't sell? Okay, let's say sell also okay. Why is it that position weekly you don't sell, position daily you sell? Different time frame. Another thing is, let's say example position daily. Let's say example here to here. Okay. Let's say I draw the line from here to here. Okay, position daily. Position daily, if you do position daily, you may have exited a few times. Yes or no? Here you exit, here you exit, here you exit. Yes or no? That is position daily trading. The time frame will 3 months or so. Yes or no? Sometimes it can be 3 months, something may be longer, but generally 3 months or so. But when you switch this time frame from 9th of April 2020 to 2022, right? The weekly chart, right, will not have exit. You see? Here, no exit, no exit, no exit, no exit. Yes or no? So the weekly chart, there's that. Oh, weekly chart, chill. Let's write. That's why we can write from here all the way to here. Because you decide you want to do weekly chart, because you decide you want to do long term, you allow the volatility, you allow the up and down, so that you write the bigger trend. It is still possible in the middle, the down eventually turn to a downtrend, but you allow that retracement so that you can write the bigger trend. Do you follow what I'm saying? But for position daily, same time frame, for position daily, we don't. That means we only want to go in 3 months or so. So we don't allow so much pullback and we exit first. After exit already, if wrong, we can re-enter again. Do you all understand why we must do this? Type yes if you understand, type question if you still don't understand. We got 73 in the public. Public can ask also, okay? You understand. So important thing is to decide your time frame. Am I weekly? Am I position daily? Do I know my time frame? Then use the time frame that I chose. Use the trader GPS to exit or enter. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Question also if you don't understand. So then you have a systematic way. Then you have a systematic way of in and out. Or let's say example position weekly, as doing long term, then you don't need to worry. You enter here one time, you exit here one time, you write over 2 years, 1 year plus, over 2 years. That's all. Okay. But if you're doing trading shorter term, then your entry exit is different. Got it? Multiple entry, multiple and exits also. So is that clear in your mind already? Any question? No question. I think it's a good live example. Yes or no? Good live example. So now, if let's say right now position daily, you already exit last week already. Yes or no? Already exit last week already. Position weekly. Let's go back to position weekly. Position weekly, generally, we only exit when the candlestick turn red. A break below the dotted red line, usually we don't exit. That means we wait for candlestick turn red, then we exit. Okay, so you can see from here all the way to here, the candlestick never turn. Like example here, it closed below the the red line. Yes or no? Okay, so we don't exit. Generally, we want to wait for the candlestick turn red to exit. Got it? Or if not, then we will have exited here. Okay, but it's your choice lah. It's your choice. If you want to wait for candlestick turn red and then break below the low exit, then you will have exited here on position weekly, and you wouldn't have exited here. About the same price at the end of the day. Okay, can repeat again. Okay, repeat which part? Don't ask me repeat the whole part. Okay, generally everybody understand already, yes or no? Yes or no? Type yes if you're generally or everybody understand already. You're not like gonna repeat the whole part again. Okay, more specific better because if not, gonna repeat the whole part. I think generally most people understand. Okay, so how to exit position weekly? How to exit position weekly is wait for candlestick turn red. Or when is a good time to buy more position weekly if we have more cash? Okay, so good question. Okay, good question. Let's say example, Collin. Right now, I want to enter position weekly. Okay, position weekly. How can I buy some more? Let's say right now, I want to buy some more. Okay, so instead of using position weekly, you can use TOP. TOP got one entry here, yes or no? So wait for the next TOP dot, then you enter again. Okay? CF Tan, answer your question. Type yes if answer your question. So same thing over here. TOP, you can have other entry point along the way. CF Tan, understand? Public, got any question? Feel free to ask also. What is the time from position weekly? Position weekly is about 1 year, more than 1 year. Okay? What drive my choice of my time frame? Is it how often I expect to bother with the market? Yes. How often do you want to look at it? If I just say I want to do long term, I don't want to be bothered so much by looking at it daily, then you can do either position weekly or swing weekly. Okay, Ryan, answer your question. If you say, I want to be more active, I want to trade, then you can do position daily, swing daily. Got it? David, answer your question. Position weekly is for more than 1 year. Okay. How about short-term rate on position weekly? Okay, Kelvin, position weekly, we don't short one. Okay, we don't short because long-term we seldom short. Okay, only for position daily, swing weekly, swing daily. Position weekly, we usually don't short. Okay, good question. I today a little bit slower because got public. Okay, how many dot can enter? Okay, first dot, second dot usually can enter. Okay, another way to do it. Okay, Angela. Another way to do it is, let's say example, the question is, now I'm doing position weekly, but I still want to have trade. I want to buy more. What can I do? You can also go to swing. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I have been talking about the market losing momentum. Yes or no? Okay, market momentum. This few actually months already. Okay, actually 1 or 2 months already. We say market has been losing momentum. If you look for the position daily, we can see that the market was losing momentum. There was a divergence in the comp. Yes or no? Okay, and then eventually the market turned down. Let's say example right now, I want to re-enter. I can also use swing weekly. Can y'all see the setup for swing weekly right now? Like yes, if you can see the setup. Okay, Angela, answer the question. Okay. Okay. Next question is, what's the TOP timeline? TOP timeline is between position trading is also a bit longer term. Okay, same as TOP for daily. Okay, however, TOP has a profit target. Yes or no? There's a profit target. Like example, you enter here, there's a certain profit that you aim for. Okay, please go through the TOP video in the membership area. Okay, that is under the Trader GPS membership area. You can watch that TOP video. By the way, we're going to do one more TOP class free for all the graduates. So do look up for it, okay? Because some of you are not familiar, okay? So we're going to do one more TOPs that, okay? But if you cannot wait, then you can go to this TOP class under refresher. But we're going to do one live one. Don't know when. Today we just plan. TOP class. Okay. Zoom, Hollow and Solid. Wow, how come so Solid is open, high, close, low. They done open, low, close, high. I know why. Because today got new batch of graduates. Okay, welcome to the batch 154. How many of you are from batch 154? Time 154. Okay, so position daily. Zoom user asked, we exit all individual position daily stop. No. Okay. So let's say example, you are doing position daily, you follow your your stop. Let's say example, right now I got let's say NVIDIA. Then you follow your stock NVDA. Then you follow your stock. Okay. On the whatever time frame, let's say you're going position daily, then you follow the stock. Make sense? How you follow the stock? So Zoom user understand? Follow the individual stock. So the market outlook is more for like let you know that whether you should be more aggressive or careful. Yes or no? I've been talking about tightening your stock at least for 1 month already because the losing momentum, right? So I've been talking about that also. John Han asks, do you see more downside for the short term for semiconductor like SMH? SMH is very good. Okay. Yes lah. Okay, that is a sell signal. Short term, at least 3 months trade and right now don't have an entry yet. So still a sell signal. Okay, 3 months or so. Still not a buy yet. Okay. Sorry, what is a green dot TOP? Okay, is that for green dot done? Okay, wow, so many questions. Okay. Answer your question done. Swing weekly turn rate having swing weekly turn rate. Swing weekly got turn rate one. Swing weekly don't have turn rate one. Okay, I think I better revise. Swing weekly don't have turn rate one. Okay. How about short turn rate? Example, close to September, right time to exit. No, cannot also. Okay, position weekly in general don't have short. Okay, you want to do short position daily. Okay. Okay. When do we enter position weekly using swing, TOP, and 3? When do we enter position weekly using swing or TOP and 3 point? Okay, that's one question. Okay, when do we use position weekly? Is if that's how to answer that question. Somebody asked, right? If let's say now I want to do long term, but I still have money and I want to add position, then how do I add position for the long term? Okay. Roslyn asked, position weekly for SMH weekly chart is still blue. However, you can see that it broke the dotted red line. Okay, dotted red line. So if you use the dotted position weekly, usually wait for candlestick turn red to exit. We don't wait for break candlestick break the dotted red line to exit. If not, then we will have exited here. Okay. Next question. Well, what do we do if we miss the exit position daily? Do we still exit now or switch to position weekly to continue with it? Immediately you find out that you exited, you missed the signal, you immediately exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's should be the way. So don't need to wait for, should not change your time frame. Okay. Position weekly, we should look for red candle break the mark low. Yes, correct. Red candle, same red candle break the low, then exit. Okay. The thief on the grid line should want you're talking about this, is it? No lah, cannot read like that. Okay, cannot read like that. No. Okay. Okay, I think I skip. Should I skip this one? Okay, let's do SMCI break key support avoid. Yeah, break the dotted red line already. Position daily also exit already ma. Guys, you all must follow in, you understand not? That yes, if you all follow at least position weekly, you all follow quite strictly. You all should follow, okay, guys? Don't like okay, the point is if you have a method or system and you must use the system. If you don't have the system and things still do your own way, then it's like having no system like that. Yes or not? Like GPS, right? You don't know place, you punch the location, or then you just follow the GPS, right? You just follow exactly. Okay, that's the key. Do you follow what I'm saying? But let's say, example, you follow GPS and sometimes, the day really happened. I follow the GPS, then I roughly also know the location there. Then I sometimes follow GPS, sometimes real story. Then sometimes drive my own way. Then I follow GPS again. Then do a big turn. Real story. Then after that, distinction is, if I don't know the place exactly where, I just follow GPS. That was really the lesson that I learned. Okay. Because I thought that the GPS take that long turn. He says, I know a shortcut. Then I try to go shortcut. But when I go shortcut, I lost again. I said, should I put? Then I went back to GPS again. Then, waste time. Okay. If I just follow GPS all the way, and then I would have got there like 10 minutes earlier. Okay. So, bullish trend for this counter should not be shorter. Yes, correct. Okay. TOP. Guys, by now, you all should know the time frame already. Yes or no? You all should know the time frame already. You all still not figuring out the time frame. Like our very first slide, right? You say, hey, figure the time frame out. Yes or no? Or not figure lah. Decide your time frame. Not figure. Decide your time frame. It's up to you to decide. Okay. Okay. Let's not go into the other stocks already. Okay. If not, then become very alarm already. Okay. So all right, let's pull back. Okay, rather answer all the question. Now the market is like that already. That yes, if you're ready, now the market is like that. Short term pullback. Pullback to how long? Don't know. Okay. During kickstart, I say, what did I say for S&P 500? I say S&P 500 in January, the big event. Sell in May, it came in April. But y'all got the sell signal already, yes or no? Oh, y'all got the sell signal already. Okay. So at this moment is a question mark. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. I also mentioned that at the end of the day, this is like prediction. Follow the signal. Yes or no? Oh, follow the signal. So what you want to do right now is, let me ask you a question. If in May, right, there is a buy signal on position daily or swing weekly, will you still buy? How many will still buy? Type me, you still buy. Okay. You should still buy, so follow a signal. Okay. I don't know whether I mentioned this in the weekly webinar or not. Okay. I don't mention this in the weekly webinar or not. Okay. This time round, the bull market, by the way, I'm predicting that yes, if you understand, at this moment the chart is don't really have that yet. I'm predicting a bit. Okay. So Okay, let's split into two parts. Okay, let's talk about what the chart say first. Okay, then talk about what I think. Okay, the chart say right now, position. If you're 3 months or so, now exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because the answer is I don't know whether long term will be still up. If you are long term, you're 1 year or more, now don't exit. If you bought earlier, now just right is a pullback. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Any question? 2 time frame, right? So it's quite the same as what we look at the chart. Position daily, if you're trading 3 months or less than 1 year, then now exit. Don't know. We're not sure. Long term, don't exit first. Wait. Okay, this is on the chart. Oh, now let's look at. Now I'm predicting already because haven't happened yet. I think there may be still more upside long term. Why? Number one. By the way, I'm predicting. Actually, it's no good to predict. Okay, but I'm predicting. Number one, it's because the S&P 500 the long term is pretty strong. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, it's pretty strong. Okay, pretty strong. Okay, and then second thing is people are anticipating the cut of interest rate. That's why they say, oh, better buy now because when it cut, it will rally. Yes or no? Okay. So right now, if the inflation, the pressure to drop interest rate is not so high, they may delay the cut, which is bullish. This is why I mentioned like 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago. Yes or no? Yes, for the new graduates, you may not know lah. Okay, but they may delay, and then what it means to you is on the chart they look like still got upside because the underlying the MA is quite strong. Number two is we have also the pressure to cut not yet there. Okay, in fact should not cut lah because the inflation is starting to pick up again. Yes or no? Okay, so two parts. One part is more like the chart, us looking at it. Second, we are predicting, looking at the market. Okay, but generally, what you should do, yours should be quite sure. Yes or no? Long term and short term. Long term, I'm talking about more than 1 year. Short term, 3 months or so. Okay. Now let's look at S&P 500. Again, swing weekly right now. Is there a setup? That yes, if you think there's a setup. Yes, there is a setup right now. Have you entered? No, okay, no enter. Okay, so I also mentioned this before. For the last few months already. If you are going to trade for 1 month, like when it was not a good risk reward. That yes, if I mentioned this before. Okay, now if we have the pullback, and then after that it stopped dropping. Okay, that means let's say example right now we have this one is predicting but we have a candlestick that is here. Okay, and then next week it go up, then we have a swing trade setup. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, okay. By the way, the momentum now last week is down, is strong or weak? Momentum down last week is strong or weak? Strong, okay, strong. How do I know it's strong? Look at this. Look at this. Yes or no? Strong. Okay. So is it likely that it reversed this week? Is it likely that it reversed this week? No lah, not likely. Okay. The best thing for the bull is don't drop it so much. Stop dropping so aggressively now. Yes or no? So if let's say this week we have a shorter blue candle, good or no good? Good lah. Okay, we have a doji candle, good or no good? Good. So don't expect it to reverse last week high. Type yes if you understand. Don't expect it to after we break last week high. No lah. Okay. Maybe got more way to go down. Yes or no? Okay. So wait lah. So for swing weekly right now, you are waiting for the correct entry price. Likely don't know when, but in the next few weeks. Okay. Johan, are you SMT graduate? Okay, we have 125 of you. Now let's do advertisement time. Watch TV also same, right? Which certain period of advertisement. Okay, so for those people who are not part of SMT, okay, I want to talk about our next coming preview, which is actually tomorrow. Right on. Tomorrow. Yes, if you want to become part of our SMT community or want to find out what is this SMT community about, we do have a training like 3 days straight, and then we also have 3 days training, but we also have a weekly webinar which we look at the market. We will talk about the market and also continue to guide our graduates together. Okay, so SMT graduates, type in the reason why you are here in this Zoom today. The reason why they should join SMT. I'm thinking of what to ask them to do. Okay, Zach, thanks for posting there. Recently, I saw your photo on my Facebook trade notes. Okay, so if you want to join us in the next coming event, you can go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB to register. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, can finish. End of advertisement. Okay, so position weekly, okay, no question. Now let's go position daily. At the same time, I also want to answer a question on this. Johan. Joe, you are still student. Okay, so Johan sounds so okay. So now let's look at the question that Johan asked. Daily time frame look extremely oversold. Expecting a dead cat bounce first before more downside. What do you think? I make money from SMT. Thank you, Tanya. I make some money from SMT. Thanks you, Sean. Not for the cause. Thank you. Okay, so what is the thing right now? Okay, let's take a look. Is there a setup? No, no setup. Okay, so the key is what? The key is you want to trade setup. Yes or no? You want to trade setup. Whether you do swing daily or swing daily, whatever, you should have a setup. Example of a setup is like swing daily setup. Okay, swing daily setup. This one, right now, if there is a setup, will be what kind of setup? If there's a setup, will be what kind of setup? It will be a short setup. Yes or no? If let's say you do short-term trading, rather than to buy it coming up, buy it coming down is better. Okay, that means wait for the rally already, then short-term trade back. That will be another test of the down again. Easier to do. Got it? No? So another thing is don't predict. Doesn't mean that it's oversold already means it will go up. It does not mean that. Okay. Okay, answer your question already. Now let's go Nasdaq. Nasdaq is about the same. Okay, Nasdaq is about the same. Not much different. Okay. One more thing I'll share with you is at the end of the day, you should, after something like a course or things like that, you should know better what to do. Then you run line. Do you follow what I'm saying? Anyhow trade. That is the bottom line. Yes or no? If you can make, you can look at the chart better, you can understand the market better, you have a system. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's not just about make money or lose money, because make money or lose money is at the end of the day a process. That yes, if you understand, it's a process of doing the right thing. But at the end of the day, it is knowing where the market is going. Yes or no? Knowing what the market is doing and also applying that. That's why you have a system. That is the key. Okay. So position weekly. Now let's position weekly again. Same thing. Okay. Position weekly right now don't have exit. Candlestick have not turned red. Okay. And I usually don't suggest to wait for dotted red line to exit. So unless you want to anticipate, you say, oh, this dotted red line exit means 3 already. Okay. If not, then better off, if you're long term, better off wait for candlestick turn red to exit. Got it? Okay. But position daily very clearly got exit already. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. All got exit already. Okay. Okay, let me remove this. Okay. So swing weekly, there is a setup also. Swing weekly, there is a setup on the chart. Okay. But the same thing, haven't turned. Yes or no? Haven't turned. So haven't turned, momentum still down. Wait. Wait, don't so eager to go in yet. Got it? Don't so eager to go in yet. Okay, wait for something like this or something like this, then you can reverse, then you go in. Okay. So right now, the momentum last week is strong down. Yes or no? Okay, strong down. Okay, so don't anticipate it down. Okay. With all the index down, is it okay to do position daily long? Yes, if you have nothing. If you have nothing, right, you exit all your position already and you still want to look at position daily long, you can. Okay. But I will say that there will be much lesser. Let's say right now we do a screener on position daily, ranked by month. I believe got very little stocks. Yes or no? Okay, or very little good stocks. Or this one bearish, so cannot enter. This one 11 signal cannot enter. This one 4th signal cannot enter. But may have some. Okay, may have some. So do go and look out for them. Okay. And a lot of them, do go look out for them. Okay, isn't an index fund. I thought you cannot short this. You can short in the index. Okay, UCFD lah. Okay, so let's do a few more on the index. Then we say bye to the public. Okay, I got a feeling public is all SMT graduate also. Okay. For Nikkei, let's look at Nikkei. Maybe we should do one like Friday or what. We just do all public one. I mean, everybody can join, but we just do like ask me anything. What do y'all think? Like ask me anything, like answer any stock or anything. Good, because like we go the beginning of the week, then we do the end of the wrap up. Okay, let me see whether we should do it. Okay, if we all do it, that's only on Facebook. That means not on Zoom. Then you just go Facebook and we chit chat in the Facebook. Okay. Nikkei same no change. Position weekly, still blue. Okay, and then position daily already sell signal. All very clear, very clear sell signal. And swing weekly also set up only, but not trigger yet. Okay. Okay. Next is Hong Kong or China. Have you all been looking at Hong Kong and China? China or Hong Kong, if you have been dollar cost averaging it? Yes or no? If you all have been dollar cost averaging, type me if you have a job having it. Okay, so China market have more or less bottom already. Can you all see that? Type yes if you can see that. Oh, can see it not? Downtrend, 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 downtrend. Test of the downtrend, bullish candle. Like last week, US market down. This market still not bad. Yes or no? That yes, if you can see that. Oh, so last week daily chart not bad. US market down, Hong Kong market stable. Oh, so how continue to accumulate on this? Okay, if you're long term okay, the context if you're long term. Can you all see that the trend has a big change already? At least no longer downtrend already. Oh, no longer downtrend already. Let's say look at position weekly. Position weekly. You cannot trade but you can see position weekly also change already. Yes or no? Oh, position weekly also change already. Okay, so continue dollar cost average. If you want to trade, you also can look at trading setup. Okay. Okay, this one during jump kickstart January, I mentioned already, right? The dollar cost average on Hong Kong or China shares. Hong Kong also same, okay? Yes or no? Okay. Also same position. Relative to the China market is weaker, but if you look at the index, it's not that weak compared with the US market. US market, Nasdaq, bam, down. This one is like last 2 days up. Yes or no? Oh, so relatively speaking, is still stronger than your US market. Got it? Okay. Can you buy iShare under SGX? You can, but better just to buy the Hong Kong ETF. Okay, it's more volume. Oh, there's more volume. Okay, then index I think done already. So last but not least, great. Those people who are public, you want to come and join us? Feel free to come and join us. The next class, the next review will be tomorrow. And then you can go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us. Okay, if not, then say bye to the public and then we will do our meeting. Okay, say bye to the public and then we'll do our meeting. Okay, bye. Thank you. Come and join us next time, okay?